Check it out. Here's an example of what I'm looking for. I mean, this is one of those Moki marbles growing in the sandstone, but this has not popped out or been released. So I'm gonna find a rock with the whole indentation I was talking about yesterday, so you can see what it looks like when they are released. But those are what I'm looking for. That one's not really, you know, the shape I'm looking for. I'm really looking for a perfect golf ball, or like a baseball size one would be pretty cool. But it's got to be a nice shape to it, nice sphere, circle, ball, whatever. See, that's what I mean there. Looks like a baseball grew in that rock. And they're all different shapes and sizes. You know, when you would find, you know, a rock like that with a hole, and then look around it and you'll find whatever popped out, but who knows when that happened? It's not like that was 2 weeks ago. I mean, that could be millions of years. See, that's how you'll find one right there, but this is just a half. But it'll look like that. It'll look like a ball half buried in the ground. Just found one here, but this is more like an egg shape. They feel a bit heavier than a rock. They almost feel like they're made of like a cast iron or like a steel. But I think that's like, I think they said it's pyrite and hematite maybe. I forget. But, and then they're a different color. You can see it's darker, so they're easier to find. And you can always usually see in the sandstone that released these concretions, it's miscolored around the circle. So they're always a bit darker. So it is easier to find them on the ground. You can kind of tell just by, you know, the appearance of it. And then you pick it up and you feel it and you're like, yeah,